Привет, everyone! Did you manage to read this simple word? If not, then do not worry. By the end of this video, not only will you be able to read this word, but you'll also be able to read any Russian word you'll see. I'm Polina from Learn Russian Daily, and today I'm going to help you master the entire Russian alphabet in just a few minutes. And I promise I'll make it simple. So, давай, let's do it! In this video, we'll cover all 33 Russian letters. We'll learn how to pronounce each letter correctly. We'll learn similar letters to English ones, and there are more than you think. We'll also learn tricky letters that sound differently, yet they look familiar, just like in English. And by the end of this video, you'll be reading your first Russian words. Learning the Russian alphabet might seem intimidating at first. Yes, I know that. But it's actually much easier than you think. And many of my students master it within just a few days of practice. And once you know the alphabet, you'll immediately be able to read signs, menus, and even simple text in Russian. That's your first superpower in learning the language. And if you want to practice after this video, then I have created a free Russian alphabet mastery kit with pronunciation guides, practice sheets, and audio files included. And you can download it for free. I will leave the link in the description. So let's start our video. The good news is that many Russian letters are the same as English letters. They look and sound exactly same. So let's start with these familiar friends. We call this group true friends. And in this group, there will be 5 letters. First one is A. A, like in father. A. I will pronounce them slowly, so you can repeat after me if you want. K. K, as in kite. K. M. M, as in mother. M. O. O, as in door. O. T. T, as in table. T. Great! Now here's where it gets a little tricky, because some Russian letters look exactly like English letters, but they sound completely different. And that confuses a lot of beginners, so pay close attention to them. We call this group false friends. Let's take a look at it. First letter of this group is V. V. It sounds like V, but it looks like B. This letter is V, like in van. V. V. Next letter is N. N. It looks like H, but it sounds like N. N, like in nose. N. Next letter is Y. It looks like English E, but it sounds like Y. Y, as in yes. Y. Next letter is R. R. It looks like English P, but it sounds like R. R. Don't worry if you don't manage to roll this letter and say R. I will tell you, but that's a secret, that not all Russians can roll it. Next letter is S. S. It looks like C, like English C, but it sounds like S. S, like in sun. S. Next letter is U. U. It looks familiar to English Y, but it sounds like U. U, like moon. U. And finally, next letter is H. H. It looks like English X, but it sounds like H. H. like human, h, h. These look-alike letters are the most common source of confusion for beginners, so take a moment to review them. Repeat after me. V, v, n, n, ye, ye, r, r, s, s, u, u, h, h. Good. Now let's learn those letters of the Russian alphabet that sound similar to English ones, yet look different. First letter in this group is B, B, as in boy, B, G, G, as in goal, G, D, D, as in door, Z, Z, like in zoo, E, E, like in meal, L, L, as in love, P, P, as in pet, F, F, as in fan. Let's review this group. Repeat after me. B, G, D, Z, I, L, P, F. Well done! Now let's cover those Russian letters that sound like a combination of two sounds in English. There will be 6 letters. Let's begin with the first one. This is J, J, like in measure. Next one is Y, Y, as in boy, the last sound of the word boy, Y. Next letter is C, C, as in bits, C. Next letter is Ch, Ch, as in church, Ch. Next letter is Sh, Sh, as in sheep. And finally, Sh, Sh. There is no really an equivalent in English, but try pronouncing fast sound S and Ch, S, Ch, S, Ch. And with time you will get the sound Sh, Sh. Let's review this group. Repeat after me. J, J, Y, Y, S, S, Ch, Ch, Sh, 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 Sh. Great! Well done! Now let's cover the remaining special letters of the Russian alphabet and some specific vowels. And this group includes 2 signs that don't have any sound. These are soft sign and hard sign. Soft sign softens the previous consonant, and sometimes it changes the meaning of the word. For example, there is a Russian word pыл, pыл. That means temper. The last letter L is hard in this word. But if we add a soft sign and say пыль, so L becomes L, soft, пыль, then it will change the meaning and пыль means dust. Next sign is a hard sign. As I said, this sign doesn't have any sound and it separates a vowel and a consonant. Also in this group there are some specific vowels, and the first one is as in and. Next one is unique to the Russian alphabet. U, U. It's like a deep E, but it sounds like U. By the way, I'm giving some tips on how to master difficult Russian letters in my alphabet mastery kit. Don't forget to download it in the description. Next letter is U. U, as in use. And finally, letter Ya. Ya, as in yard. Ya. Congratulations! You have now learned all 33 letters of the Russian alphabet. So now let's put it all together and let's practice by reading some simple words in Russian. Let's begin with one letter word. Yeah, we have one letter word. Ya is the word and it means I am. Ya. Two letter words. Da, da, which means yes. Da. On, that means he. Он, мы, that means we. Мы. Three letter words. Кот, that means cat. Дом, that means house or home. Нет, that means no. Four letter words. Mama, that means mom. Papa, that means dad. And finally, let's move to some slightly longer words in Russian. Привет, привет. Now you can read the word from the beginning of our video. Привет, that means hi. Спасибо, that means thank you. Now, don't worry if you don't remember all of these letters right away. Learning the Russian alphabet takes practice, but don't worry, you have just done the very first important step. And with just a little bit of daily practice, you'll be reading in Russian in no time. And to help you practice, don't forget to download my alphabet kit. Follow the link in the description. And if you find this video helpful and useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and follow me for more videos. See you in the next video. Пока-пока!